Mobili. The 2025 Yamaha YZF-R9 is out, and it's the YZF-R6 replacement. When Team Blue pulled the R6's plug due to emission norms, sports bike lovers collectively sighed all around the world. We've practically begged Yamaha for an R6 replacement since then, yet the company kept us waiting. And no, the R7 was never meant to be an alternative to the 4-pot middleweight. That wait finally comes to an end today. Yamaha has taken the reins of the much-anticipated YZF-R9 to compete in the 800 to 900 cubic centimeters sports bike category. More importantly, the motorcycle plugs the gap between the 72 HP YZF-R7 and the 197 HP YZF-R1, making Yamaha's sports bike lineup more approachable worldwide. Oh, and the YZF-R9 is the spiritual successor of the uber-popular YZF-R6. Yamaha can deny it all at once. The Yamaha YZF-R9 has an edgy design to slice through air. The YZF-R125, sold in Europe, YZF-R15, sold in India, YZF-R7, and YZF-R1 all follow an identical design language. It's sleek, sexy, and distinct in the realm of sports bikes, giving the YZFs their own identity. So it's only fair the YZF-R9 fits the lineup, and that's precisely the case. Up top, you get sleek fawn-like DRLs, with a projector headlight smashed in the middle. This is partnered with an edgy front cowl with an aerodynamic windscreen to help you tuck. Moving to the middle, the angular tank and sporty side fairings take center stage here. Topping things are the segment first MotoGP-derived wings. These reduced front will lift by 7% in a straight and 10% while cornering. Yamaha claims the entire package makes the R9 its most aerodynamic model to date. Even more than the YZF-R1. The tail end follows the front end to mimic other YZF bikes. You get a vertical LED tail lamp, alongside spoiler-like plastic panels on each side of the pillion saddle. This is swooped up slightly, so the R9 appears nose-heavy from the side view. The exhaust seems half-cooked and like an eyesore, though. Yamaha has armed the YZF-R9 with several electronic niceties. We usually compile the design and features together. However, the R9's feature list deserves a special section. The center attraction is the MT-09 derived 5-inch TFT display. It comes right bespoke themes, alongside smartphone connectivity bits via the MyRide app. You can also enjoy full-screen navigation once you connect to the free Garmin Street Cross app. Aside from these, the TFT also gives you access to a handful of electronic safety aids. You can choose between 3 preset ride modes: rain, road, sport, or set up 2 personalized modes. When setting things up, you can toggle through wheelie control, engine brake control, slide control, traction control, and backslip regulator settings. All these work via the 6-axis IMU. Also present is Yamaha's 3rd-generation quickshifter with 2 settings. The YZF-R9 is powered by Yamaha's 890 cubic centimeters triple-cylinder engine. Under all the sharp fairings, the YZF-R9 employs Yamaha's much-liked 890 cubic centimeters triple-cylinder engine. It fires up at an 11.5:1 compression ratio, which ensures an output of 117 horsepower and 68.6 pound-feet of torque. All of it is sent to the wheel via a 6-speed transmission. At that output, the YZF-R9 slots in an interesting place in the premium middleweight sports bike lineup. While the engine is directly drawn from the MT-09, Yamaha has made sure the riding dynamics are a stark difference. The R9 boasts a low clip-on handlebar instead of the MT-09's tubular unit, and the rake has also sharpened to 22.35 degrees. Likewise, the footpegs are repositioned to be in a more aggressive, higher and rear set position, and the seat height is increased to 32.6 inches. Moving on, you get a reworked aluminum diamond frame, claimed to be the lightest unit ever on a Yamaha sports bike. It's paired with an aluminum double-sided swing arm. These tie up with KYB $43 million forks and monoshock. both of which are fully adjustable. Yamaha claims the forks are completely redesigned and now feature individual adjusters on each leg. Braking, meanwhile, is courtesy of two 320mm front discs with Brembo Stylema calipers. They are housed on new 5-spoke alloy wheels and should be enough to slow down this 430-pound sports bike. That's just 4 pounds up from the MT, even with all the extra fairings, and quite commendable.
I hope to inspire you and help you learn more about your favorite theme. Subscribe to my channel and let me know what you think.